Hi guys and welcome to today's video. So today I'll be teaching you all how to take a screenshot or in your PC or your laptop. So the first step is, suppose I want to take the screenshot of this screen in the Google Chrome. This is my YouTube's homepage. So all you have to do is first hit this button, this print screen button which you see out here. I will be marking it in red. So this is the button you have to hit. Then open MS Paint, maximize it, then hit Ctrl plus V. So here we have this one, this is the image, and now I guess you want to just trim it up till this part. Okay, and then just save it as your normal file, save as JPEG or PNG or whatever you want. So that's how you take a screenshot on your computer or your laptop. Give a like if you like this video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.